IndexTTS2 is out and seems like a huge improvement on the predecessor, which we covered 5 months ago on the channel, and even then it was quite a good text-to-speech model. So in this video, we are going to install this IndexTTS2 locally, and we are going to test it out, how exactly it has improved and what is the new in this TTS model. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member, as that helps a lot. So what exactly is this IndexTTS model, especially this new next generation one? It's an auto-regressive TTS from the index team that finally lets you dictate exact token counts, which is the wall clock duration, without wrecking prosody, something no other AR model could do. I will also explain what exactly is prosody and what exactly this means, but just remember that what it does in very simple words is it disentangles or separates out emotion from speaker identity, so you can zero shot clone a voice while slapping on any mood you describe in plain English. And behind the scene, it uses a celebrated Qwen 3 model with a very tuned soft prompt. You can add your GPT style latent codes. You can have a training recipe if you want. You can even fine tune it, and that's how you can even get a cleaner, more expressive speech than even Val-E or any other TTS model as per their GitHub repo. But we will check out after getting it installed. So let's get started. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system, and I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPU. So please do check them out. So you can see that I have this card and you already have seen my operating system. By the way, one prerequisite which is a must is to have a CUDA toolkit installed, and the version should be more than or equal to 12.8. I have version 13. If you don't know how to install CUDA toolkit 13, just search my channel. I have just done a video which should be out and about very already when you're watching this video, that should be out. So just follow it, get it installed, and make sure that you have it. Okay, so that is out of done. Let's now install some of the prerequisites. So here I'm installing the git LFS mainly. Git is already there, but git LFS is needed because we need to clone the repo of this model, which is quite big. And that is done. So let's now git LFS install. This is for the large file system. It is initialized, and then for this video I'm going to use the UV package manager, which is quite performant and I would say comprehensive, and I'm just curling it, and that is done. And I need to of course source this. It is Rust and Cargo based, it seems, so that I should be able to access it quite easily. Okay, so maybe I just will copy this command. There you go. And I'm just pasting it here, and this is good now. And I believe I can do the UV version. Yep, I can. So this is my UV version now. I'll just clear the screen. Next up, let's git clone the repo of IndexTTS, and I'm just going to paste that command here. It is cloning, and okay, so you don't really have to worry about this. We can always cd into it and then do the git LFS pull, and I will actually show you. So just run this command. It is going to pull everything for you. And these are the files in the repo, and it seems that they have run out of their GitHub quota, so you might not be able to download the model, so we have to download it manually at the moment. For that, simply run pip install Hugging Face Hub. It is going to download the model on your local system. Sorry, not the model, it is going to install the Hugging Face CLI. That is done. Let me clear the screen, and then I would just say hrefauth login. It is going to ask me my read token from huggingface.co, which is a free token. and I am now logged in, as you can see here. Next up, if you do ls here, you will see there is a checkpoints directory which is empty at the moment. Now, in order to download the model, all you need to do is to run this command, where you can see that I'm just giving it Hugging Face download, and we also need to specify here the model name. So just go with IndexTTS2, and it is storing it in the checkpoints directory. It is going to download it, so let's wait. And the model is now downloaded. Next up, you would need to install all the prerequisites with all the extras from the root of the repo. So let me run this. It is going to use UV. Let's wait. And everything is now installed, and now is the time to run the demo from the root of the repo. And for that, all you need to do is to run this UV run web UI.py. And it is, interestingly enough, again downloading the model, which I already did, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So you can just let it download and wait. This is just the first time. And everything is now installed. Next up, let's run the Gradio demo from the root of the repo. There you go. So IndexTTS now is running here. And as the model is fully loaded onto the GPU, let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption. It is consuming this much VRAM at the moment, just under 9 gig, which is not bad at all. Okay, so now that we know, let's play with it. Okay, so in the first test, I have given it this audio from my local system, and I'll play it. Joy is found in simple moments of gratitude, and true contentment comes when we truly value the small blessings we already have in life. And the text is this: translate from me, but is a surprise. I'm synthesizing it. Let's check. Yep, that's good. Let's play it and focus on the voice. Translate for me, what is a surprise? Look at the voice cloning. It is perfect. It is just my voice. Amazing, amazing. Now, this is just as a voice reference. Let's see if you want to add emotion reference audio. You can select any other emotions from here. For example, I'll just select another emotion video. This is emotion video. Let me play it a bit.
I can't believe this is actually happening. After 3 years of working nights and weekends, I finally got the call. They accepted my proposal. My hands are literally shaking right now. There were moments I wanted to give up.
Okay, now let's synthesize it. And that's good. You see how quick that is. Translate for me, what is a surprise? See, it has changed it, and there is a hint of a different voice too. You see, I'll play it again. Translate for me, what is a surprise? There's a bit of a sort of a Chinese accent there, but still voice is mine. Very interesting. You can also use emotion vectors, like you can maybe I will just go with how about afraid. So I'll just increase it. I'll change this to something else. I'll say like the video, subscribe to the channel, and become a member to support, as it helps a lot. How is that? Or maybe I'll just remove it just to keep it simple. Okay, let's synthesize. Let's see. I'm just letting it play. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and become a member. See how scared I sound? Okay, I'll just move it and I'll make it happy. I'm just increasing it, and you can also add few others too. So, but I'm just going to go with the happy one. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and become a member. Very nice. How about if after saying it again and again and you guys still don't listen, let's do the disgusted one. But don't worry, I still love you guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and become a member. That is nice. And even after this video, if you don't become the member, let's act very, very surprised. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and become a member. Okay, that was good. And you know, even once I have done it all and still no dice. So let's check it out. It's melancholic. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and become a member. And the voice is quite good, very, very fine. Okay, so and then you can also use test description. Let me select another voice, and maybe I will just go with another voice. I have some Arabic and Hindi voices too, but I will select. I'm not sure if it is multilingual or not, but I will get to it later. I just want to select another voice first.
Although the campaign was not a complete success, it did provide Napoleon with valuable experience and prestige.
So this is another AI generated one. I will just move it back, and I'm just going to go here, and these are the text descriptions. Like I will say happy and synthesize, or maybe I should have said excited. We'll do it later.
Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and become a member.
Too excited. I'll just say let's say the shy. Should be good. Let's see.
Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and become a member.
Yep, that's good. And you see it is cutting the first letter, but that is not the model's issue. That is because I am accessing it in the VNC, so these problems happen there time to time. So I'll just say excited. I'll go back. Maybe I will select another voice here. Maybe I will go with the Arabic one.
في الصحراء الواسعة وجدنا واحة جميلة مليئة بأشجار التمر والنخيل حيث يمكننا الراحة تحت ظلالها الباردة.
Let me just translate it to maybe. Okay, so come on. I'll just use another browser to translate it. So I just translated it into Arabic, the sentence. No, it is just bilingual, Chinese and English. That's pretty much it. So let's try it out with Chinese. I think I have Chinese. So this is the Chinese. Let me maybe translate it into Chinese. And I have converted it into Chinese. Let's play it.
喜欢这段影片，订阅频道并成为会员。
It was excited, and this was the original.
院子门口不远处就是一个地铁站。
So you see, the voice is totally perfect.
喜欢这段影片，订阅频道并成为会员。
I think voice cloning is very, very improved. It is expressive, and you can also, it has duration controlled in it. There are a lot of other things which you can do. I think I will make another video to cover a few more things around it. But fabulous job by the creators, very impressive. Let me know what you think. Again, please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member. You will find the membership tab here on the homepage or somewhere. Just become a member, as that supports the channel a lot. Thank you for all the support.